Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Garlic Parmesan pasta bake. I'm gonna have to stop eating it so I can show you how we made it. Let's do it. Hey, family and friends, welcome back to the Chaotic Kitchen. If you are having a busy day, a chaotic day, you got a lot of things going on, or maybe you're just having a bad fibro flare, I got you guys covered. We're going to do a quick and easy, simple dinner. You can use chicken breasts. I'm going to use chicken thighs. This is bone in, skin on. We like the chicken thighs because the darker meat makes it a little bit more tender and juicy. But let's go ahead and this is an entire family pack. It's 5 pounds. I'm not making 5 pounds, but I'm going to go ahead and put several in here to the bottom. I'm probably going to do about half the pack. I've got a big family eating it tonight. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5. And that'll leave enough for another dinner. So this will be stored properly after I get to it. Let's get that out of the way. Next, what you're going to want to do is we are going to want to add this buffalo Parmesan garlic sauce. Now it called for 2 of them, and I don't have 2 of them. I have another one is an Italian style. So we're going to mix them and see how it goes. I think it'll still be really good. Okay. Good Lord. Okay, so you just want to pour the whole thing in there, all over your chicken. Okay. Now on this, I don't think I'm going to do the whole bottle. I think I'm going to do like half. Yeah, half. Okay. So, whoops. So far, this is what we're looking like. All the chicken is in there with the sauces. It's already looking and smelling good. My goodness. Okay, now we want half a cup of milk, but we're going to put it in the bottle if I can. To get this yummy goodness out of here. So let's see. Yay, I did it. I'm going to do it to the damn lid. There it is. Give it a shake. Shake all that goodness out of there. And back in there. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now next you want 2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. So this is half a cup. So we'll do 4 of those. 1, or however much I got. It's just going to take the whole container. There we go. Oh, well. Okay, next and last, you want to add in a block of cream cheese. Just lay it in there. That's it. We're going to put the lid on it, and we are going to let it cook for about 4 hours on low. Check it at 4 hours. If it's falling apart, it's good to go. If not, give it another hour, but it's usually done about 4 hours. You could try it on high on 2 or 3 hours if you'd like. But when we come back, I'll show you what we're going to do next. Hey, welcome back. It's been like 5.5 hours. What I did is I went ahead and took out all the chicken and took off the skin and the bone and just put it back in here, and I shredded it up with the 2 forks, and that's just been going there for just a little bit. Now what else you want to do is, right now we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and you're going to want to go ahead and boil a 16-ounce package of any type of pasta you like. I made rotini. You can make any type you'd like. Just go ahead and make it according to package directions, rinse it and drain it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm also going to add in, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my pasta because I already had it cooked. So we're going to go ahead and add that in right here. Let's see how much that gives us. Sometimes the whole box is just too much. We'll see. Yeah, I think that's perfect. That's almost the whole box, but I think that'll be more than enough. Okay, now I'm going to add, I made some broccoli. I just went ahead and did it in the steamable bag. If you want to steam fresh broccoli, however you'd like to do it. I'm just going to add some in there. You can add the whole bag if you'd like. There's actually some pretty big pieces. And then I'm going to add in about a handful of some shredded cheese. Maybe just a touch more for love. There we go. And give that a good mix around. Okay, so this is a little dry for my liking. Now, I've never actually made this exact recipe before. Something similar, which it was really good at that time. So I think I'm going to add just a little bit more heavy cream. Okay. And I might need some regular milk. Just a little, thin it out. There we go. Now, we'll give that a good little mix. I'm going to put the lid back on it and let it all just meld together for probably, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. And then it's going to be done. It already looks amazing. It smells so good. And you don't have to add broccoli in here. You can add any type of vegetable or no vegetable at all. Okay. Yeah, it's almost done. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. There we go. All right, one more mix. Okay, so let that meld together for maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Now I did go ahead and add I added about a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, but you don't have to. Like I said, it's just because I don't like my stuff to be dry. I like it moisty a little bit. But see if I can do this without dumping it. That's what it's looking like, all good with the pasta and broccoli and sauce. And chicken shredded up in there. Get a little salt and pepper. All right, let me taste this and I'll tell you. That is so good. I even adapted it to my own. I love it. You guys have to try it. If you're enjoying the video any at all, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. And it helps get the video out to more people. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you change anything or leave anything out. Anyway, we will see you all soon. Thank you.